Okay, in this short little quick video, I'm going to show you how to make money online on the world's biggest buyer search traffic engine for free. Now, the first thing you do without any design skills or art skills, you're going to create a background. Second thing you're going to do is give it a foreground. Third thing you're going to do is give it a title. And then you can repeat this process 24 times. It should take you no more than 30 to 50 minutes. After that, you're going to publish this on the world's biggest buyer search traffic engine for free. This eliminates the need for websites. It eliminates the need for sales copy, for email marketing, for design skills, for art skills, for drop shipping. It eliminates the need for all of this nonsense, and it makes it very simple for almost anyone to earn online for free. Now, if you want this exact skill, if you want to learn how I do this on a daily basis and how I've helped many others do the same thing, make sure you click the link somewhere down below and get all the details. See you inside.